Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. That's great. Today we will be doing work in Maths notebook. Open new page. Write today's date, that is 18th February 2021, and on the right hand side you have to write the classwork. And leave one line, and in the second line you have to write subtraction. Okay, today we will be doing subtraction. Okay, here you have to count the pictures and write the number in the boxes, and then you have to write the final answer. In the subtraction, what you have to do, you have to minus the thing. आपको reduce करनी है वो चीज़. Okay, and in addition we have add that things. तो आप देखिए यहाँ पे हम काउंट करेंगे पिक्चर्स 1 2 3 4 5. We will be writing 5 over here. Okay, how many balls are here? 2. You have to write 2 and then you have to reduce, मतलब कम करना है आपको. 5 balls में से you have to reduce 2 balls, remove 2 balls, and how many balls are left? Only 3 balls. Okay, now see the popsicles. These are the popsicles, or you can say ice cream also. 1 2 3. You can write over here 3, and here the number is only 1 ice cream. You have to write 1 over here. If you will reduce 3 from 1, which number you will get? Only 2 ice cream you will. Okay, you have to remove from 3 में से आपको 1 को क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, रिमूव कर देना है उसे. तो हाउ मेनी पॉप्सिकल्स आर लेफ्ट? ओनली 2. Okay, now see the next. How many fishes are there? Here are 1 2 3 4. 4 fishes are there. Write 4 over here. Here 1 fish is there. You have to reduce only from 4. You have to reduce 1. How many fishes are left if you will reduce 1? 1 2 3. Okay, write 3 over here. Now see the next picture. Next picture is car. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 cars are there. Okay, and 1 2 are over 2 over here. If you will reduce from 6 to 2, आपको 6 में से 2 को रिमूव करना है. 6 कार्स हैं, इसमें से आप 2 रिमूव कर दोगे. हाउ मेनी कार्स आर लेफ्ट? आपने ये भी रिमूव कर दी, ये भी रिमूव कर दी. हाउ मेनी कार्स आर लेफ्ट? 1 2 3 4. Only 4 cars. Okay, in this way you have to do this exercise. Okay, now open new page. Write today's date, that is 18th February 2021, and on the right hand side you have to write the classwork. Subtract the following. In the second line you have to write this heading, subtract the following. Okay, now you have to write the number 5, then put the minus sign over here, subtraction sign. Okay, this is subtraction sign, or you can say minus also. 1 is equal to, from open 5 fingers you have to remove 1 finger. 1 you have removed. How many fingers are left? 1 2 3 4. 4 fingers are left, so you have to write 4. Okay, now 6 minus 3. From 6 you have to reduce 3. How many are left? From 6 में से आप 3 remove कर दोगे, तो how many number is left? 3. Okay, now 8 minus 4. आप 8 में से 4 को reduce करोगे. 8, suppose I have drawn over 8 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you will reduce 4 ball. 1 2 3 4. How many are left? आपने reduce कर दी. 1 2 3 4. Okay, the number is 4. You can arrange the rough sheets. Okay, but you don't do in your fair copy. Okay, this will not be done in your fair copy. You can take your rough sheet and you can solve by drawing the pictures also. Okay, or you can solve by the fingers also. You can take out your fingers and draw the things. Okay, now 2 minus 1 is equal to, see here I have drawn 2 mangoes. Okay, 2 mangoes I am drawing, and I will reduce from here 1. So how many mangoes are left? Only 1. The answer is 1. Okay, now see, 4 minus 2 is equal to, here I am drawing 4 flowers. 1. Don't go on the pictures, I am drawing roughly. Okay, to explain you. 4 flowers I have drawn, 2 I have reduced, 1 2. How many flowers are left? 1 2. Okay, the answer is 2. Okay, now next is 7 minus 2 is equal to, here I am drawing 7 balls once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I am reducing 2 balls from here. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls are left. So here the answer is 5. Okay. In this way you have to solve this exercise. I hope so you all have understood. Take the rough copy with you and you can draw the pictures. If you are not be able to solve by your fingers, you can draw the pictures also and reduce the pictures from the another number. Okay. Thank you.